Formation of acid rain, polluted cloud, acidic rainfall, nitrogen oxide emissions from vehicles, sulfur dioxide from the burning of fossils and fuels, nitrogen oxide from industry emissions. Acid rain. The clouds that produce acid rain are formed when polluting gases such as sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide combine with oxygen moisture in the air. The resultant precipitation acid rain is dilute mixture of sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Acid rain causes forestry damage as well as hastening the erosion of many ancient buildings and sculptures.